What is going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be taking a look at a very special product that I'm really excited to review, to be honest. This is a keyboard from a company called Tecware. If you don't know what Tecware is, they make a ton of products for gaming PCs. They make a lot of cases. They're very popular outside of the US for gaming PC cases, but they're very popular in the US for keyboards. So today we're going to be taking a look at one of two keyboards they sent us. The other keyboard we'll be making in the next video, and we'll be actually giving it away, so stay tuned for that to celebrate our 1,000 subscribers. Speaking of, if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Without further ado, I don't want to talk too much. This is the Phantom L keyboard. L standing for low profile mechanical keyboard. It is an 87 key keyboard. It is a low profile, full RGB. It looks really nice from the box. Just looking at it, as you can see, it has very low profile keys. I'm actually really excited. This is the brown key edition, I'm pretty sure. These switches are replaceable, so you can swap them for other switches. These are Outemu brown switches. I think I'm saying it right. I'm not the biggest guy when it comes to keyboards, but it's the Outemu switches. It comes with 1-year warranty, and it weighs around 600 grams, so it's not terribly heavy. Overall, it looks really nice. It is a USB-C compatible, so you can use any cable to power it. It's detachable, which is really nice. But yeah, without further ado, I don't want to stop talking. I want to get into this. I want to unbox it. I want to test it. So let's go ahead and do that. Alright, that's it for the box. Get rid of the box. Okay, so as you guys can see, get a braided cable right here. It looks really nice. As you guys can see, is USB 2.0 to USB-C connection. It's a braided cable, so it's pretty nice overall. In the box, you're gonna get a couple of pullers. You're gonna get a key puller, and you're gonna get a switch puller as well. So here's the key puller. Here's the switch puller. So either way, and this is the switch right here. I don't know if you can see it. It's tiny switch. Very actually nice looking, to be honest. Feels really nice. Press on. I don't think you can hear it much. All right, for the main event, guys, we're gonna be taking a look at the keyboard itself. Voila, let's take it out. And there we have it. It looks quite incredible, to be honest. Feels very sturdy. Doesn't feel like it's not very bendable. Very sturdy base, which is really nice. Some of the keys are uneven from what I'm looking at. I don't think this is an intentional design. Maybe they're just not pushed in too much. Okay, yeah, never mind. I thought some of the switches were not even, but they were just not pushed in all the way. So, but yeah, overall, it actually looks pretty incredible. You can see that the keyboard is quite short, actually. The base is like this metallic gray color. It looks really nice, to be honest. I don't know if you can see it very well with the lighting. This is the base color. It looks really nice. I think it's aluminum. Might be wrong, to be honest. Feels like it's... No, this is just plastic. It just looks like it's aluminum, but it's plastic cover. It looks really nice. The one thing that I'm not really sure about is why is the connection right here? Because you can see the connection is not in the middle. It is on like the middle side kind of thing. But I mean, that's not a big deal. It looks really nice overall. I'm gonna go ahead and plug it in. And we're going to check it out and test it and see what it feels like. So let's do that. All right, guys. So we got the cable right here. It's actually not plugged into my PC. It's just plugged into a power cord. We're going to plug it in, check it out, and see it. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. All right, guys. So as you can see, this is the keyboard lit up without any lighting. I just wanted to show you guys what it looks like at fully dark. It looks really nice, to be honest. The RGB is very well lit, and it looks very smooth as it's transitioning, as you can see that. The arrow keys is actually how you control the lighting. There's also software that you can download and install. I want to talk a little bit about the switches. The switches themselves feel really nice, and we'll give you an audio test here in a second. But to be honest, I really struggle trying to remove the switches from the keyboard.
It's like felt like they were really glued, which is crazy to think about. But I tried multiple times removing the switch via the switch remover, and I could not succeed. I did it the right way. I think I did it the right way. I mean, I've removed switches before. It just felt very stuck. But yeah, these switches just had a hard time getting out of the keyboard. I actually never succeeded even getting one because I felt like I was about to break it. But as promised, here's a quick video showing how the keyboard sounds.
Alright guys, so a few things in mind. Now that we've just taken a look at the keyboard feels really nice. The keys actually type really well. The low profile feature is incredible. It's one of my favorite things about this keyboard, to be honest. You got to keep in mind this keyboard is $50 only, but overall the brown switches feel really nice, and I really like it. I think I'm going to be using it as my next keyboard for sure, for a while at least, because I really like the way it types. And for $50, I gotta say it's actually probably one of the best low profile keyboards you can get at this price point, especially for an 87 key. You know, they're not very common at this price point. So yeah, that was it. Thank you for watching this video. I truly appreciate it. If you have any questions about the Phantom L keyboard, put them down in the comments. I'll respond to all of them. If you're interested in this keyboard, I'll leave a link down below in the description so you can buy it if you want to. And thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button, hit the subscribe button. See you in the next video. Bye bye.